Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. If you're struggling with acne, dark spots, or dull skin, you're in for a treat. What if I told you that just one simple drink could transform your skin from the inside out? Yes, you heard it right. Turmeric water is a natural elixir that can give you clear, glowing skin in just a week. Turmeric is not just a spice. It's a powerful medicinal herb with anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties that can work wonders for your skin. So, if you want blemish-free, youthful, and radiant skin, stay tuned because I'm going to share why turmeric water is your ultimate skin detox solution. Why turmeric water works for clear skin. Turmeric contains curcumin, a bioactive compound that has been extensively researched for its skin-healing properties. Unlike synthetic skincare products, which work on the surface, turmeric works from within by improving skin health at a cellular level. 1. Fights acne and pimples. Acne is often caused by bacteria, inflammation, and excess oil production. Turmeric has natural antibacterial properties that kill acne-causing bacteria, while its anti-inflammatory effects reduce swelling, redness, and irritation. It's a game-changer for those dealing with persistent breakouts. 2. Detoxifies your skin from within. Your skin is a direct reflection of what's happening inside your body. When your liver is overwhelmed with toxins, it often leads to dull skin, breakouts, and uneven texture. Turmeric water acts as a natural detoxifier, flushing out impurities and giving you a radiant, blemish-free complexion. 3. Reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Uneven skin tone and dark spots can be frustrating. But did you know that turmeric inhibits melanin production, which helps fade pigmentation, sun damage, and acne scars over time? Drinking turmeric water regularly can lead to brighter, more even-toned skin. 4. Boosts collagen for youthful skin. Collagen is the key to firm, plump, and wrinkle-free skin. As we age, collagen production slows down, leading to sagging and fine lines. Turmeric stimulates collagen synthesis, improving skin elasticity and making your skin look firmer and more youthful. 5. Improves blood circulation. Poor circulation can make your skin look dull and tired. Turmeric enhances blood flow, ensuring that your skin gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs for a healthy, glowing appearance. How to make turmeric water for glowing skin. Turmeric water is one of the simplest yet most effective drinks for achieving clear skin. Here's how you can prepare it in less than 5 minutes. 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder, 1 glass of warm water, a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. Optional, a teaspoon of honey or lemon juice for taste. 1. Heat a glass of water until it's warm, not boiling. 2. Add turmeric powder and black pepper, then stir well. 3. Let it sit for a minute, then drink it on an empty stomach for maximum benefits. 4. For best results, drink this daily in the morning before breakfast. By drinking this simple remedy every morning, you'll begin to notice incredible changes in your skin within a few days. What to expect in just 7 days. Many people experience visible results in just a week of drinking turmeric water. Let's break it down day by day. Day 1 or 2. Your body starts detoxifying and inflammation in your skin begins to reduce. Any existing breakouts might feel less irritated and your skin may appear slightly brighter. Day 3 or 4. Your skin starts to look smoother, fresher, and more even-toned. Acne scars and pigmentation will begin to fade, and you may notice a subtle glow on your face. Day 5 or 6, blemishes continue to reduce, and your skin will start feeling softer and more hydrated. The collagen-boosting effects of turmeric will begin to show as fine lines and wrinkles appear less visible. Day 7. By the end of the week, your skin will look noticeably healthier, clearer, and more youthful. Many people report that their dark spots lighten, acne fades, and their skin looks rejuvenated. How turmeric water helps different skin types. Turmeric water isn't just for acne-prone skin. It benefits all skin types. Oily skin. Turmeric controls excess oil production, keeping your skin fresh and matte throughout the day. Dry skin. Its natural hydrating properties prevent dry patches and flakiness, making your skin look supple. Sensitive skin. Since it's a natural anti-inflammatory, turmeric calms redness, irritation, and itching. Aging skin. The antioxidants in turmeric fight wrinkles and fine lines, making your skin look younger and firmer. Tips to enhance your results. To maximize the benefits of turmeric water, here are some additional tips. Drink plenty of water. Hydration is key for flushing out toxins and keeping your skin clear. Eat antioxidant-rich foods. Pair your turmeric water with fruits, vegetables, and nuts to further boost skin health. Use turmeric face masks. Applying turmeric topically can complement the internal benefits of drinking turmeric water. Get enough sleep. Skin repairs itself while you sleep, so make sure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of rest. Stay consistent. Drinking turmeric water for a few days is great, but long-term consistency will give you the best results. Turmeric water is more than just a home remedy. It's a powerful, natural elixir that has been used for centuries to promote clear, healthy, and youthful skin. The best part? It's safe, affordable, and completely natural. No expensive skincare treatments, no chemical-laden products, and no complicated routines. Just 1 glass of turmeric water every morning can help detox your body, reduce inflammation, and nourish your skin from within. But here's the key: consistency is everything. You can't expect overnight miracles. Just like how a balanced diet and regular exercise lead to long-term health benefits, drinking turmeric water daily is a small but powerful habit that will transform your skin over time. Within a few days, you'll notice a healthy glow, fewer breakouts, and a more even complexion. Within a few weeks, you'll start seeing long-term changes, fewer wrinkles, reduced dark spots, and naturally youthful skin. Remember, beautiful skin starts from the inside out. What you put into your body matters just as much as the creams and serums you apply externally. While skincare products can offer temporary fixes, true radiance comes from proper nutrition, hydration, and detoxification, and turmeric water delivers all of that in a single drink. So, if you've been struggling with skin issues, whether it's acne, dullness, pigmentation, or premature aging, this might just be the solution you've been looking for. Give turmeric water a try, stick with it for a few weeks, and watch how your skin transforms naturally. And remember, skincare is not just about what you drink or apply, it's a lifestyle. Get enough sleep, manage your stress, eat a balanced diet, and stay hydrated. These small changes will make a big difference in your skin's health over time. Now, it's your turn. Have you ever tried turmeric water for your skin? What was your experience like? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, inspiring, or interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural health and beauty tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay glowing, stay healthy, and take care.